Dr. J, Spike, Kamal, and Professor Omar, streaming live from Long Island, New York, where it's a yucky day. And
And
not,
there actually is a day of trading today. On Friday, we didn't think there would be.
yeah, the bond market is closed, and I think
Yeah.
there are no settlements today on trades.
Ah,
We gotta wait till tomorrow. But other than that, you can go ahead and buy whatever or sell whatever you want, which I did. I sold a little bit Amazon, and I bought a little bit Tesla today.
yeah, what was that? It was on 219.
I sold Amazon at 220 something,
Okay.
and I bought Tesla at 422. I don't know what it is now.
You bought Tesla at 422.
I believe so, if my memory serves.
432.
432.
Yeah.
I'm rich.
Nice. Yeah, that's nice. Very good.
All right, so Professor Omar is with us to give us the sad news that
All the time, right?
I mean, we have bulls and we have bears, and
It's not a sad news. I'm just giving you
there's no difference in the stock guys. Arjun was going to team up with Professor Omar today and give us a bear case, but now it looks like Professor Omar has to go it alone on the bear case.
Arjun is turning bullish now.
What?
Arjun is
He's
turning.
not being bullish. He's just not here.
Arjun, he said he's coming, but
Yeah,
so something must have stopped him.
and actually he got it right. I mean, we went all the way to
Oh, he's also he's got his favorite longs, asts. That's working for him, and he likes a new one, HUN, which maybe we'll look at without him. HUN is a chemical company, not that it's new.
Was
It's
that
just
it?
it's been in the dumps,
Wow, it's just the opposite of STS.
Oh,
Yes.
ASTS, right?
You want to,
ASTS made him a lot of money.
Omar? You want to click on?
Okay, and then somebody else takes it over. Okay, all right. What is that? Where am
Show us your SPX.
What is that? Okay, share screen. Is it share screen?
Yes, you got your day of glory on Friday, so maybe you'll follow through on tomorrow.
It could be.
Yeah.
This is Han, right? Let's go to SPX, the king. Um, of course, again, this is this is expected. The bounce is very likely when you have a day like this and the VIX is more than 20%. You have a very high chance of a bounce the next day or two, and we got it today. And now, if you look at this one here, okay, draw just a little parallel here. You see the top here, we may form a head and shoulder, right? I think you can see it there. It's where's my brush? Right here. You have a little shoulder here. We may probably form another one here, and then you have the head on the top, right? So you'd expect more downside. Now, I think, I mean, when you look at
But from the head to the neckline is how much?
let me see, because it's a little bit from here all the way down here. It's like 200 points.
200.
Yeah,
So usually it goes down another 200 for the neckline.
something like that. I think if we go down, if we're gonna get to 6400, because the 6400, if you look, there's a huge support here. I don't think it's gonna cross this without any problems. You see this area here, it's very strong. When you have W kind of stuff here, it's very strong. So I would assume that if we
I
get
want you,
down
I
here,
want you, Kamal, pay strict attention to what you're saying.
yeah, if we get down here, I would expect it to stop right at the bottom of this bar, which is 6400.
So your target is 6,400?
6400 definitely before we get. I think probably even before that, before we get the balance. Usually a drop like this, what happens, you're gonna get a little bear flag here, then you go down a little bit, then we come back a bigger bounce. Where, then you have two cases. If we make a new all-time high, we go back again for 10% drop, or we don't make a new all-time high and we make another wave down, and it's going to be just a very smooth correction all the way down to 6150, which is the high. I'm sorry, hold on. Um, the old high. Where is it? Yeah, somewhere here. Right?
That would be about,
You see this high here in February 2025. It's 6150, around there, 6147 exactly.
so a little less than 10%.
Yes, little less than 10%, except if we go up from now and then we go to 6850 and then we go down to 6147. I think, I don't know, something tells me that this is what's going to happen. Probably we're going to go to 6400, then we make an all-time high to 6850, then we go down to 6147. That makes it around
That'll,
9%.
be 10%.
Yes, yes. And the 200 moving average is going to coincide with this strong support here with
The gift,
high and so on.
the gift wants to know, have you been short all straight through, or you were
I covered Friday. I covered my short. I'm going short. I went short just like a few minutes ago.
but
I went back short.
he's right that you were short a few weeks ago too, right?
Yes, I was. I was dipping red as well.
And you covered.
Yes, and
You've been covering whether you win or lose. You've been covering. You've
I,
been, you've been
I,
in it a lot.
I covered here. I went long here on this side. What is that? September 25th. I took a big hit on my short that was started a long time ago,
Right, right.
and then I went high. I went long, and then I shorted really close to the top. So this time was pretty good.
No, it looks like your timing is good now.
Yeah, that time and the last one was good. I mean, the first one was really painful, so it was a big loss.
On the last show, Kamal complimented you.
I saw that. Thank you, Kamal.
He said, "We got to give Professor Omar his kid."
For BMNR.
BMNR, correct.
Yeah, BM.
I had to give you that, credit.
Thank you. They got exactly to the 50-day moving average, right?
Yeah.
Exactly. You mentioned that, yes.
All right. So, anybody have any question or want to pipe in their opinion on this? I can see some.
Time frame wise, when you say it's going to go down to like 6,400, do you think this is happening like in the next week or two, or what's the time frame?
The thing, it's very difficult because you don't know when the shutdown is gonna end. Usually, this kind of stuff they follow those dates where you have turning points. So, I would say before the end of the month. The thing is, it's very likely that at the end of the month, if we go down, it would be a bottom. If we go up, it would be a top. It's likely to be the case because we have the Fed meeting on the 28th, right? And then you have China and Trump meeting the 31st or 30th October. So you would expect a lot of something to happen there, some kind of turning point. So,
Well, on Fridays,
Arjun.
Spike and I were cool, calm, and collected during the sell-off.
Yeah.
We kind of, kind of grinned and said it's the overreaction and they'll come back. That was our feeling. We were buying on Friday. At least I
That's
was.
very good.
I bought multiple stocks on Friday. It was like falling. It was a falling knife on Friday. Like
Yeah, no, I was waiting for this morning for an opportunity, but I didn't get it. But it's okay.
I bought a few things on Friday.
Yeah.
The thing is, usually when you have a drop like this and it closes below the support, that's very important support, which is here.
I'm tired of listening to 100% tariff threats.
Yeah, and then it's just you get a bounce right away, and then that's true. Even the thing is, why this bounce? I don't trust this bounce. Everybody thinks like because Trump flipped, it's going to go new all-time high. Probably we're not going to get that.
Yeah, I think it's a dead cat bounce, probably.
It could be. I mean, if you go to lower time frames, well, this is what I would suspect it to happen. Here we're gonna get down a little bit here, then we're gonna go up, something like this. We're gonna form a bear flag, and then we're gonna make new low around 6,400.
Yep, I think I agree. I agree with that.
I told you you'd have support from Arjun.
Yeah. Is a convert.
Well, I mean, I've been waiting for this for a while, and I think why
You
not?
get it.
Why not?
Yeah,
now?
you get it right. You get 6,700 right.
You want to take a look at Tesla? I've been buying it every day.
Tesla is in a good. The chart is really good. I mean, you can say nothing about it. It's mainly if you believe in it. This is clear. It looks like a bull flag to me.
Yeah.
I mean, there is a gap in the high 300s.
Could you do the 3 months? If you do the 3 months, you'll see the gap.
I know, Cameron. I'm sorry, but
Small gap, a tiny gap. You see the tiny
Yeah,
gap?
there is one 395 and there is one at 360 something.
This is three. But if I do 3 months, it's gonna go to the lower time frame. That's the problem with the 3 month thing. But I'm gonna do it just like this.
But
Yeah.
it did break out from consolidation. So
You're talking about this gap here?
Yeah, that gap.
Yeah.
390, 395, I think, is the top of the
Yes.
candle.
The low is 400.
Yeah.
400 or 402.
Yeah. But then the high
if the market sells off, I expect it'll go there.
This one.
Go down with the
then the gap is below, right?
Did anyone hear about version 14.1 self-driving?
No.
Getting poor reviews.
Hmm.
When the Tesla drivers feel the version 13 was better. 14.1 they feel is quirky on the braking.
Like they are going backwards.
We got to wait for 14.3. That'll take out all the bugs. A couple of weeks, maybe a month. I think if full self-driving, that is good for 500 this year.
The chart is pointing up, definitely. I mean, for now, I'm not a very big believer in this.
It's got good support as well.
Definitely.
Yeah, there's another gap at 362 or so.
Yeah, that one isn't as worrisome, I don't think. But yeah,
I sold a little Amazon today and moved it into Tesla. I've not been happy with Amazon even before Friday.
I don't own any Amazon actually.
That's probably a mistake. You should own.
Yeah, maybe. I just have liked other things better, but
Amazon, Costco, and Walmart should probably all be owned.
I have Costco and Walmart. I like those better.
Maybe.
If we have this pivot here, if we break it, we are in top information. If you break, what is that, 211, that would be a real top information.
Head and shoulder.
211 is where I first started selling a little Amazon.
Could you check Path, PATH?
Oh yeah, we looked at this one a few times. Yeah.
The gift gave it to us at 1280. Not much higher now, right?
Yeah, today's candle's nice. It
It is.
looks like you wanna. Yeah, I mean halfway up the green candle, it pulled back there, and then looks like it's holding strong.
There is a gap.
What do they do?
What do
It's a
they
Kathy-
do?
It's a
Yeah.
It's a Kathy Woodstock.
Yeah, what is it? Is it
I think
tech
it's
or-
AI, right? It's something AI,
yeah.
but everything's AI, so I don't know what that means.
The good thing about this is that if you look Thursday, it went up 18%, and Friday, where there was a very big drop in the market, still just dropped 7%.
Yeah,
In my opinion, that's a sign of strength.
yeah.
Now it looks like it's on the move up again.
Yeah, this looks good. This looks good for sure. We look at ASTS also. It kind of has a similar pattern.
That thing is just like gold.
Yeah,
Unbelievable.
I
Just
love it.
keeps going up forever.
Today's candle is so good. I mean, it opened higher than it did on Friday, and then now it's closing higher than it opened on Friday.
It's not an all-time high though, right?
It's very close.
Almost.
Very close. I think it may
The
close.
high it is, not the closing, but the high it is.
I think it's gonna. I mean, what did we say? Which one will double first from?
Tesla and
Yeah, or this to 150 is. I think it's gonna come sometime early next year.
could be.
They signed a deal with Verizon that really just shot this up.
Yeah, I heard about that.
That's a big deal. I mean, that's a really big deal, I think.
Verizon went down, ASTS went up.
Yeah. Stock of the year for me, for sure.
Definitely.
Stock of the year for me is one that I no longer own, IONQ.
Okay, can we do MSTR? please?
It's my top pick of the year. Remember that when we did our top picks?
Yeah, that's the quantum, right?
Yeah, I went to IONQ as my second pick, I believe.
Nice. MSTR looks like it's right at support, but it might be breaking it.
Yes, that's. I. You see here, I mean, it got back on that triangle thing, and then we went back again down.
It looks weak, no question.
It does.
Yeah, not a great chart.
It does look weak.
This needs to hold today.
The thing is this, it needs to hold absolutely in under any circumstance. We would say this low here needs to hold absolutely 292.
Yeah.
You lose 292, you're gonna get to this green line, which as I said last time.
All of crypto took it on the chart.
240.
When this was in the 360s, I expected this to go down to 309. If you recall that, Dr. J?
You were right. But the thing is, where's it going now?
I think this is it as far as down. I think it's going to go back up a little bit, at least to the next moving average.
Okay.
240.
What is that green line that you have?
50.
Yeah, that's going to be,
It's still around 340.
yeah.
I want to talk crypto in general. Friday was the worst day that crypto's had in many years. It was a disaster with everybody with options and any kind of leverage.
Leverage.
They all got liquidated.
If you look, actually, there's a huge trend line that just goes all the way. You see here from 2017, 2021, and it just got exactly there. I'm sorry, but what is the here? Yeah, you see,
I see
it
it.
got right
What are you
there.
talking about? I'm not seeing what you're saying.
I'm sorry because I have a lot of.
If you draw a line to the lows of
This is
2013,
what I right. If you look at the top of 2017, the
Yes.
top of 2021, you draw a line there, and you get right there. We are right at that channel, and then you draw another, channel here.
it's a megaphone.
And yes, and that's where I saw the thing is just like, I'm sorry, I have because I have a lot of channels here. You see the thing here? We get right at that red trend line, and then we
Yeah.
went down. It's very likely we go. I don't know. We go down to around this other trend line on the green one, which is
Yeah.
around 96, probably 94, something like that.
I think this aligns with what we were talking about with SPY. I think it makes sense for 10, 15% off the top here.
I think it could go either way. It's very unclear in my mind. But-
It will depend on the thing. I mean, you're gonna see the correction in the SPOs and the Qs, but I think it's gonna happen. I mean, I'm
Probably.
biased, of course, but I do really think it's gonna happen.
Probably.
Yeah.
Oh, Andrew had some questions about a couple stocks. I own both of them still, but we can chart them if we have time. Otherwise, no. I still own.
SSL.
SSL I like better.
SSL?
Yeah, I like it. It's kind of right now it looks like locally a little weak on the short term time frame, but I think that it's personally going to go back up fairly soon. I don't think it has much more downside from here. I think it's a buy for me.
I get confused between this one and SRL.
I tend to agree on that. I mean, there is nothing damaging on the chart.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's at lower trend support. Like you can draw a pretty perfect trend line through the lows.
I see what you mean.
Yeah. So I mean, this one's a buy. Geopark, I think, is less certain, but yeah, SSL I like here. I added some today for what it's worth.
Of all the bit miners, the one that went craziest is IREN.
Oh yeah. That one's interesting.
R?
IREN.
Iron.
Yeah, Iron. I think we've looked at it a few times.
It's become an energy play.
It's just so good. I mean,
It's like STS.
you don't even need to draw anything. The blue is yeah.
Tremendous chart.
It's
Maybe Wolf will do this.
Wolf.
Wolf is doing well. Don't lie.
It is.
Wolf was over 14 today.
Wolf of Wall Street.
Doing well. We looked at
That's
it.
Kemal.
The bane of our existence, Wolf.
Great. Wow. Okay.
And the battery play is a beast.
Remove this.
Another one, the gift point.
That's a beast.
Yeah, American Battery did okay today. ABAT.
Mm.
Yeah,
Battery stocks.
what a beautiful chart. Jeez.
Can you do XRPI?
You just have to be careful here. That's all. Yeah.
That's true.
Here because it goes through like.
Let's do the Ripple play for
Which one is it?
XRPI, crypto. No crypto did well on Friday.
I'm sorry.
X is an X-ray.
RPI.
RPI.
Or is it two X's? Two X's?
No.
Oh.
Is this the one?
No, this is
Volatility share.
It's an ETF.
An ETF.
yeah, there it is.
Volatility.
Oh wait.
No, it's XX, like you
I
said.
thought it was two X's.
XRPI.
I don't think it's two.
Oh.
Oh well, maybe
RP?
I don't know. I don't know what this is then.
I don't know.
Teucrium? No. Is it Teucrium twice long?
X-ray, Robert, Peter, I.
We typed it in though and nothing came up. So.
You sure?
Say X
Yeah.
R
R,
P
I.
R.
Yeah, and we just got this volatility thing.
Right.
I don't know.
Is it
Yeah,
No.
I don't know.
PE? No.
I own it, so
R RP maybe?
yeah, XRP.
Yes, XRP.
No,
No? Okay, I
it's
don't know.
XRPI.
That you got that. That's the got.
It's like 1572 right now.
XRP. Like this,
You have it now, market cap XRP. You have it now. It's the, well, it's not the volatility, it's the ripple, right?
I don't know. Is this one or not?
It looks right.
Yeah, it's a volatility shares for XRP. What is XRP? I don't know what is XRP.
Crypto crap.
Ah, okay, that's fine. Yeah. So shitty coins, right?
Yeah, it's altcoin.
Yeah.
I mean, Solana is probably the play. SOLZ.
Yeah, Solana, you have that.
That's probably the play.
It's doing good today.
It is, yeah.
Yeah.
You sure?
Good. Yeah, Solana, right? It's up 5%.
Wow.
Yeah, Ethereum is 2%, up 2%.
Fell,
Yeah,
fell very big last week, right?
there's a good bounce, today in general.
Okay.
And yeah, I'm just expecting this. I thought this would get to 66.80, did not get there, so short by 10 points. But
Can we
anyway,
look-
yes,
Can we look at HUN at some point?
yeah, I saw that thing. It's the
It's,
it's the
it's at like a 10-year low.
it's the
Yeah,
inverse of
natural
SPX.
gas, is that the natural gas? Natural
Yeah,
gas
it's a
play?
chemicals play, and I really like it because if you go back to 2016, I know that's really far, but that's
Yeah,
the last time it was at this level, and I bought some today because I just think that it's definitely bottom fishing, but I think it's going up from here.
this is Arjun. This is deep sea fishing.
Deep
It
sea.
looks like it's
Yeah.
either or going out of business. One or the other.
Yeah, I mean, I like the business from what I could see. I don't know why it's dipped this much, so I bought some. I think it could double or it could go to zero, so we'll see.
It could easily go very risky.
Yeah, but I added a little.
All right. Good luck.
I'll let you know. I'll report back in 6 months.
I'd rather take a shot with ASTS.
What about IBM? Just to talk about something a little more stable.
Yeah, that's a beautiful chart.
It is absolutely.
Not much to say, right? Just higher highs, higher lows.
Yeah, I might buy some. I've sold some. I might buy some.
Yeah, I know. I trimmed a little before.
What's it at now?
277.
It's probably a good buy.
277.
Yeah, it's around the middle of that upswing.
I mean, this is a real quantum play, not like the Qs.
Yep.
I think it's a real company here.
Looks really good.
You can chart the IONQ. It was my
Yeah, it's
I only sold it too early.
oh, that's something. Oh, you see the breakout here? It's just hey, this is weekly actually. Oh, the one even for IBM I was looking before it was a weekly.
Look at it today.
So hold on, just 1 second. Just going back to IBM on a daily, but it's still very good. Okay, it's not like the weekly is more important than the daily. So IonQ, yeah, it's I mean there's same thing. Nothing to say about it.
Tremendous chart. Tremendous.
It is absolutely. It's
Oh, you want to wrap it up, or anybody got anything else?
No, I'm happy.
I just feel like I'm watching the ones that got away.
Well, like I said, you're going to get a mixture today of bullish, bearish sentiment from the five guys.
I think it pays a little bit to wait a little bit. But at the end of the month, probably you're gonna get bargains, and then we're gonna
But
see.
push back discussion to China till November 1st, so that
Yeah,
gives at least a couple more weeks of stability.
that's absolutely.
All right, so thoughts for tomorrow, Omar, for tomorrow.
I think tomorrow we start probably going down.
Alexan, what's your thoughts?
Tomorrow, I think it'll be like a fake green at the pre-market, and then as soon as the bell hits, it'll tumble.
You got any thinking? No thoughts?
I think people are irrationally exuberant, so for a little while longer over the Middle East. So I'm giving the momentum the whole day tomorrow.
I'm going to continue doing what I've been doing. Sell a little of this and that, and buy some more Tesla. I'm thinking by the time version 14.3 comes out, it could really be good. Self-driving. Adios, amigos, and ciao.
Ciao, guys.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Thank you, guys.